Ungoverned Vendetta. As skateboards go, the ungoverned Vendetta is special. Experience 4 times the surface drive area of a motocross bike with 2 powerful electric motors driving Caterpillar tracked treads. Using a wireless remote, you can manage the speed, brakes, and traction on each track. You can also easily swap out the battery for longer rides. The ungoverned Vendetta has a range of 40 minutes and a top speed of 31 miles per hour. Aside from being water and dust resistant, its light weight of 19.5 kilograms is another impressive feature. Included with it are a wireless controller, a quick charger, and a warranty that lasts for a year. Unleash your inner adventurer and experience unparalleled joy as you venture into uncharted territories, overcome formidable obstacles, and revel in unparalleled fun. For $5,106, you can purchase the ungoverned Vendetta from the official website right now if you believe you are eligible.